First, we study about addition, similar fraction with simplest form. First, we add the numerator first. 4 plus 4 is 8. Then copy denominator is 12. Then 4. To find the simplest form, look at the answer. 8 and 12. Saan siya pwedeng i-divide? So, divided by 4. So, 8 divided by 4 is 2. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So, the answer is 2/3. Okay. So, to find the answer is 2/3, we divide in GCF. Kukunin mo yung factors ng 8 and 12. Example, 8 and 12. What is the factors of 8? 1 times 8, 2 times 4. 12, 3 times 4, 1 times 12. So, this is, the GCF is 4. So, we're going to divide 8. Divide 12 by 4. So 8 divided 4 is 2. 12 divided 4 is 3. So this is the answer to 2/3. So look. See, this is the computation to find the simplest form. Next number. First, we add the numerator. 6 plus 8 is 14. Then copy denominator is 10. Or, i-divide natin ng 4, 10. So if you divide by 14 divided by 10 equals 1. 1 times 10 is 10. 14 minus 0 is 4. So the answer is 1 and 4, 10. So this is the answer of this one. 1 and 4, 10. So to simplify 4 over 10 or 1, anong kalahati ng 4? 2. Kalahati ng 10 is 5. So the answer is 1 and 2/5. So adding 6 plus 8. 6 over 10 plus 8 over 10. So these are the example of addition, similar fraction with simplest form. Thank you and